Hello, Giovanna Tucker here, and welcome to 100 Days of Today is Going to Be Awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck, for 100 days in a row? Every day I'll be posting a video for 100 days to do just that. See you inside. And remember, today's going to be awesome. Hello from Beijing. What you should be doing every single day is setting an intention. You should be setting an intention to how you want your day to be. So how do you do this? You can do it a couple of ways. A couple that I like to do, so I'll give you those ones, is you can just say every morning, I set the intention today that I'm going to have a good day, that this is going to go well, or you can actually write, and you can write today's going to be a good day, this meeting's going to go well, this is what's going to happen, and write all the good things that you want to happen. So you can either say it or write it. It's two very simple ways. I tend to write mine mostly every single morning. I write how I want my day to go. Remember, today's going to be awesome.